Yo, 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 hello, what's up everyone and welcome back to TMT where you master the trend, ride the momentum and perfect your timing. So today we have been doing short positions from Go as I expectations that the price is going lower and the best timing is actually entering right here. So I was thinking that if we do can possible to do shots, the best idea to do shots positions is actually right around 338, but I do think that 335 is actually a really considerable, quite a solid area, I guess. So overall, my expectation is that the price is going lower and going back to the lower side. So this might be, yeah, I currently expect that the price is much more leaning to do shorts. And this is actually giving me a really good confirmations that the price is more likely to go lower or even I do think the price might be going ranging, but anyway, it seems like the downtrend momentum it's much more stronger. That's why we are continue doing short positions and continue to leaning to go back to the lower sides. Okay, so remember if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be always gratitude that you can actually keep us give us some support by liking it and enjoy our live streaming sessions. Okay. So what we have been talking about yesterday. Yesterday we are always saying that the price is most likely to go lower and we wanted to do short positions. So this is actually a really good one. So once the price will go lower, I already mentioned that do shorts. So today we are also doing short positions as well, waiting for the market to give us some confirmation. So this is actually a really good confirmations and I do think that this might be the highest of the day already. So it's much more easy and best to put your stop loss maybe above this area. It's much more safer, I guess. But as I mentioned, I do expect that the market is leaning to go lower. This is the first hour, so I think the price might be forming a ranging afterwards. And then after that, we might be seeing that the price will be going lower by then. Okay, so yeah, I can say that our entry is not the best entry lah, because we do see that there's a really strong resistance around 38, but I don't really expect that the market do go so fast. So this is the first thing, and the second thing is the dollar index is actually showing us some sign of going lower. This has been putting some kind of supports from back to this level. So the Euro USD also putting out some outs, and but we can see that the silver is much more leaning to go lower. So this is actually a really good signs, I guess. So let's see. So the gold market, I do think that the market is actually wanted to go lower, but right now the price is actually ranging from here. And after that, we might be seeing that the price will be going lower at this moment. So let's see. Okay, but if the price to really break through this level, I don't think it's actually a good sign again. So remember, okay, we'll be continue to do trades every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. So if you do have any question, just leave the comment section below and I'll be answer your questions. Okay. So the first thing first, we need to know the trend of the market. So the trend of the market, we need to know the higher perspective and what has happened from the bigger time frame, and then the smaller time frame, the stalling line, and then use the momentum to see is the everything is all right, and then timing. Okay, so again, we are actually quite accurate I think today, especially the silver market and the gold. Gold it's not quite accurate because I do expect that the market will be going back to 47, 47, 48 or 49, 50. This area is actually a really solid resistant area. So I was expectations that the price is going back towards on that area. So it's a bit Yeah, sad, I guess. So the price, once the price really reach through, I think that this might be the highest, reaching back and doing short positions. Okay, so overall, I will be keep on doing short positions and see how it turns out. And yeah, overall, I'm thinking that the price should be going lower and going back towards on 26 or even much more lower sides for my perspective. So I guess I have been giving out 33 to 26 or something. So let's see. Okay. So remember, if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and do follow us. And we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. And I will be keep on letting you guys know what's my strategy and what's my perspective. Okay, so my perspective is usually we need to know the trend of the market and then estimate that what can we do about it. So for example, the dollar index is today I'm actually expectations that the dollar index is might be going lower because as I mentioned, we do see that there's a really strong resistance, and from the bigger time frame, I do see that the structure is actually intact with it. So I do expect that the market will be going back to this level. So, but after that, we do see that the dollar index has been spiking back quite strongly, and seems like it's actually wanted to go higher at this moment. So at this timing, I guess we can see that the price is slowly to form some kind of ranging area from here. So I do expect that the dollar index might be forming a ranging, and then after that might be giving us a directions afterwards. Not so sure is it going lower or going higher, but if we do see that the gold market is going on the lower sides, I do expect that the dollar index will be continue going higher. So today is actually a really important day. Okay, so let's see can how much can we do about it? Is it reaching back to 40 and then the price is going lower, or yeah, 28 is actually a really strong resistance, but it seems like the price is actually keep on holding on it. Yeah, daily or breaking through. I don't think the price might be hitting this top sites, to be honest. So let's see the daily time frame. Um, Anything can happen at this moment because the price didn't really reach through some directions. So it's a bit hard to estimate anything for now. But anyway, we'll be keep on doing short positions and keep aiming back to this lower sides. Maybe we might be adjusting it because we do might be seeing that the price forming ranging. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Was keep on thinking that the market will be going through a really strong trending, but it seems like the market keep on making disappointment news. Okay, so let's recap what we have been told. Okay, yesterday overall we are seeing that the gold market is actually much more leaning to go back to the lower sides. So why I'm saying that? Okay, so as I mentioned, we need to see the bigger time frame. So according from the bigger time frame and the structural perspective, we can see that the price is actually swiping low. So I already expectations that the price is wanted to go lower. So I just need to have some confirmations that the momentum is going lower, or maybe changing directions on the smaller time frame is best. This is the best. But if we wanted to have a really high ROI, then we are actually you can wait for the market to slow down, then just do shots and getting a really good ratio. Okay, something like this. I think today is actually quite different because we do see that the market is actually showing us some cruel signs from this level, but I do expect that the market will be much more leaning to put some solid resistance from here lah. So let's see how we can turn out of it. Okay, so my expectation is that the market should be forming some kind of ranging or maybe slightly to go lower, and later on we'll be going back to the lower sides. But right now I'm a bit skeptical. Is it possible the price going back to 3232, 3223, or even that level? But anyway, we'll be keep on doing short positions and see how can we do about it. Okay. So remember, if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and do follow us. And remember that we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. Okay. the structure. Yesterday, I think we are saying that the price is going lower, but the price didn't really go too much more leaning to go shots because overall the directions on the structure perspective seems like it's much more leaning to go lower because from the bigger time frame, I think this is yesterday. Is it? Is it Monday? Yeah, I do think that the Friday perspective is much more leaning to go lower. I think this is might be the last ranging level up. So let's see. Okay, this might be the last ranging level. Overall, my perspective is doing short positions and keep on holding on it. And just remember to do short positions, okay? So if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and do follow us. And remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday and from 8 to what, okay? Yeah, I do think we can actually do another short positions if the price really go higher because right now we are just risking about not much. And I do think the price might be slowing down and going lower. Lah. Not so sure is it possible to break through this lower again because this might be facing some kind of ranging momentum, but maybe we can actually just add on another trade if we do really wanted to. Seems like it's actually showing us slowing down, so yeah, I think we can actually do another short positions on. Okay. So remember, if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday till Friday, and from Monday till Friday, and from 10 to 11. Okay. Momentum. I think yesterday why we are thinking to do shots is because that the signs of this showing us that it's going lower, reaching through. So it's not kind of breaking through this level, so slowing down, doing shots. So right now the price is actually ranging about this level. Trend, momentum, and timing. Trend, momentum, and timing. So first one is trend. Big, bigger time frame trend and bigger time frame trend. Trend, momentum, and timing. What we have been learned before. Let me think about it. Trend. Uh, big, small, ranging, equilibrium. Yeah. So overall, I will be doing short positions and getting back to the lower sides. Okay. So let's see, can we do much more about it? So if you do really remember, give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from what we call 8 to, sorry, from 10 to 11. Okay. So if you do have any question, just leave a question, leave a comment section below and let us know what's your thought about it. Okay. What we have been talking much. Yeah, it seems like the price is actually forming a ranging level acceptance, then going lower. Why we are thinking to do shots? Hmm. Okay, as right now we don't have much audience, so I think we can actually just do some recap what is happening and what is my thought. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Quite lagging at the moment. Okay, I think because I do see that the market is actually reaching back to this, wanted to go lower. So I don't expect the market to go much more higher, reaching through. Because acceptance and reaching through, so price should be forming back towards some kind of ranging. Afterwards, we are likely to see the price to go lower. Yeah, I do think the price is much more leaning to go lower. Lah. So remember, if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 8 to from 10 to 11. Okay, trend, momentum, and timing is actually really important. Okay, trend, what we call trend, momentum, and timing. Okay, so right now I'm thinking it's actually going through the right directions because I don't think the price might be reaching back towards this level. But seems like the price is actually forming kind of ranging, so we might be closing out early on. This it's not quite looking good. But overall, I do think that we are actually on the right directions from right now. So remember, if you do like our content, please give us a like and seems like the price is actually back. Um, reaching through why we are saying that to momentum acceptance not quite long. Also, price can actually do shorts. Right now, I do think it's actually the same thing. Euro USD and GBSD is actually showing us some not a really good signs as well. I thought it's a trending market, but in the end, we do see that it's actually a ranging market from now. But overall, I do think that the market is wanted to go lower rather than go higher because it's a bit difficult at this moment. Let's see how it turns out. Okay. My overall expectation is that the price should be going back to this low. So if we do can get it, remember to give us some like and subscribe. Okay. I think we'll be holding on probably for another few hours. If the price still really reach through, then I think we can actually give out some good directions or some sort. Okay. So remember, we'll be keep on doing short positions. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe. As I mentioned, I do expect that the market to go much more lower and maybe even lower than this level, to be honest. So I will be keep on holding on it and see how it turns out. Maybe we might be adjusting our stop loss. If we do adjust our stop loss from here, I think it's about 120 pips. It's a bit further, but I think should be quite fine. I think if we put here, maybe we can get 1 to 2, but right now price really rejects quite strongly, so the price is actually slowing down from here. Yeah, I think the price is actually slowing down from here. So once the price do really go lower, I think it's much more leaning to go back to the lower side. So this is really important. See how the price react. I think right now the price is actually showing us some kind of small ranging level at this moment, putting stop loss above. But if the price really break through, then I think should be not a really good thing lah. So I think we can actually put do another short positions to gaining back. So I think we can actually do another short positions. Hmm. Yeah, I think we can actually do another short positions. Once I do shorts and then the price is going higher. React. Yeah, I think we can actually do back to this level. Reaching back to this. Mm, this one, I think we might be putting our stop loss 41, I guess. 41. If we hit our stop loss, then no choice lah. But overall, I do think it's actually quite a solid one. So let's see, is it holding up or holding lower? If we can hold it up, I think we can actually hold back to the lower sides. Okay, let's see, can we make it or are we losing out? But I do think the structure sites is telling me that it's much more leaning to go lower. So I will be doing short positions, okay? Okay, so overall, we have been doing short positions and expectations that the price is going lower. So if we can get this profit out of it, remember to give us like and subscribe. And do remember that we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday. I think we can actually just put it right below this level should be fine. I don't aim this lower because I do think the price should be reaching back to this level. Just need to wait and see how it turns out. Okay, so right now we have been doing short positions from gold. Looking back from now, we do see that the silver is actually going lower as we expectations on silver. We have been keep on saying that the price is going lower as well. This is giving me much more convictions that the gold market is going lower. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, 3335 and see how the price react apart from it. I do think the price might be going back to this, and this might take some time, but overall my expectation is that the price will be going lower and see how it turns out. Okay, so remember, if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And do remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. Okay, from the silver market, we do see that it's much more leaning to go lower. Euro USD is also showing us that the uptrend momentum it's not strong, even though this is the area. So I do expect that the trend is not strong already, lah. Okay, because we do see that the price is actually going back to 0.786. So the momentum side is not quite strong, should be forming a ranging in a short period of time. So seems like the dollar index might be forming some kind of upwards momentum, I guess. So can't we can't really give a guarantee about it, but I'm definitely thinking that the price should be going through some kind of downtrend momentum from the gold perspective. So remember, if you do have any questions, just leave the comment section below and let me know what's your thought and what do you know more about it. Okay, so not so sure, but do think the entry sites is still considerable okay because the price is actually showing us that it's forming back to a balance area from here. So overall, I do expect that the price should be forming some kind of slowing down. But if the price still really reaching back towards on the higher sides, then we might be wrong and we might be seeing the price to go through some directions. But anyway, I do expect that the price is going lower lah, because I do think that right now a lot of people will be much more leading to short positions, to be honest. So I mean, do long positions. So yeah, I do think the price will be going lower. So remember, if you do really like my content, just give me a like and subscribe. And do remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday. Euro USD, what we have been seeing today. Euro USD, we are seeing that the price today it's much more leaning to go back to the higher sides, but seems like the top side is not quite strong. So the price do really slow down, reaching back towards this level. Going back to the 1 hour time frame, we do see that the price is actually much more leaning to go lower already, maybe forming back towards this level. Same goes to GPUSD or even the AUDUSD as well. Overall, I do expect that the AUDUSD is going lower, forming ranging level. But yeah, I think that the dollar index is actually going quite strong lah at this moment. So if that's the case, we might be seeing that the gold market to continue going lower and see how it turns out. Okay, so we'll be keep on doing short positions and see what can we do about it. So we keep on doing short positions and expectations that the price is going back to the lower sides, and we'll be aiming back to this level. Okay, so let's see, can we go back and reaching back to our TP area, because our expectation is that the price should be remaining back to lower or even going back towards this level. Okay, so let's see, can we get back to it? So remember, we'll be keep on doing trades, and if you do really like my content, just give us a like and subscribe. I'm not so sure how much will we going to, but it's much more likely to leaning back to going lower sides. Okay, so I haven't checked my email. Maybe we can check my email and see how it turns out. Let's see. Hopefully, don't lag. So hopefully everyone do really enjoy my live streaming sessions, and if you do, just give me a like and subscribe, okay? Because we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday till Friday from 10 to 11. Oh shit. Yeah, yeah. Seems like not looking quite good. But no, we will be keep on holding on it and see how it turns out. I'll be checking my shit. What else I might now I want to see. Okay. Checking it, see how it turns out. Mm-hmm. So remember everyone, will be keep on doing short positions and keep on holding back to the downsides because I already mentioned trend is actually starting to go lower. So it's actually a really good signs to do short positions, everyone. So remember, we'll be keep on doing short positions and just keep on aiming back to the lower sides, okay? So if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and do follow us, okay? Okay, I think overall should be quite fine at this moment. Okay, remember we'll be keep on doing trades and giving you guys a head start about how to become a better trader and what's my thought and see how can we do about it. As I mentioned, it's much more leading to do shorts. So we have been doing shorts, not a really good one from the first trading, but the second one I think is actually quite good lah. This one we are actually hitting on it. The second one I think is actually quite good. So overall, my speculation is that the price should be reaching back lower back sides. So we keep on doing short positions no matter what happens. Okay, so just keep on doing shorts and see how it turns out. So continue trading and see how it turns out. So overall, I'm thinking it's actually good signs are reaching back towards on the lower sides. So let's see. G2 going back to the lower sides, and I do expect that the price should be going lower. Yeah, it's actually going really good signs that the price will be going lower. So we keep on just holding on it and see how it turns out. It's not quite likely to see the price to read back again. So this one is our first trade. So first trade is actually looking good. So let's see. Think should be not a really big problem lah. So overall, I think we'll be heading to TP. Our first, wait, fuck, the price didn't really reach to our first TP because of spread issues. But yeah, we'll be keep on holding on it. Why we put this TP? Um, I think there's no particularly reasons behind of it, to be honest. I think there's a strong supporting line from here, but I don't think it's actually holding on. So yeah, we are heading on our first TP. So this is our second one. So let's see our second TP, can we hit on it? So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and do follow us. Mhm. And shake. I think 26 is actually quite reasonable. Let's see, can we reach to 26? Dollar index is actually swiping higher, so I think in the smaller time frame, I do expect that the price might be going lower to 26. Let's see, is it possible to go back to the top sides? Yeah, I don't think so because the momentum is a bit strong. So I will be keep on holding back to 26 and see how can we do much about it. 26. Is it possible to go back to 23? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so remember everyone, give us a like and subscribe, and do remember to give us some support out of it. Okay, I think 26 is actually quite reasonable. So yeah, 30 bucks better than nothing. Price reaching true. Is it possible to go back? Right now it's 42 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, seems like it, but at least we do profit out one of it. So actually quite good, even though it's not really good trade, I guess. But yeah, I think it's actually a really good trade. We are handling quite good this one. Risk reward ratio is quite stable. This one we do shots, putting our stop loss and getting back to this 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Okay, so we have been TV. We have been tagging our TP1, and let's see can we head to our TP2. Okay, so remember we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions and giving out free trading signals every single day. And if we do see out some good opportunity, we'll be directly just do short positions and giving you guys about how to become a better trader and how to become a good trader. Okay, so remember if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions. Okay, so let's see. I do think the price is actually reaching back. Mm. Yeah, I think it's possible to get much more lower. Yeah, yeah, fine with it. 26 is actually a really solid support level, but do guess it's probably reaching back lower, so don't try to do long positions. So we have been TP out two of our trades, so it's actually quite great. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, TP1 is actually go back. Okay, I think overall should be quite fine. And yeah, quite good this trade. We have been earning about from here we are earning from 90 pips. From here, we earn about 80 pips, I guess. So should be quite logic on this one because overall we are thinking to do shots. Price is actually slowing down. So this is actually the best trade we are actually entering because the momentum is actually not that strong. So once this has been happening, we just keep on doing shots and just keep on aiming back to the lower sides. Okay. So we have been profit out. So remember, if you do really like our content, give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be keep on doing trades no matter what happens and no matter what will be happening. So remember, if you do give us some like and subscribe, I do really appreciate. So remember about that. Mhm. Mhm. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I think should be quite alright as I'm expectations that the price is going lower to 23. So 23 is our TP2. So it's actually quite logic lah. 40 didn't really reach through. So I think it's actually quite a good sign. Overall, we'll be keep on doing short positions and aiming back to the lower sides. Okay. So let's see. 23, 24. It's actually quite logic and just keep on doing short positions. Okay. So I think we'll be ending our live streaming sessions. Yeah, I think we can actually do another 30 minutes. So, okay, like and subscribe, everyone. Okay, remember to give us a like and subscribe, and like and subscribe. Okay. So we are actually doing quite great on this trade. So let's see. Uh, uh, see, can we do much about it? Okay. So I think overall the price is actually reaching much more lower, and 23 is definitely not a really uh sign. So actually it's quite good this one. because dollar index is actually spiking back. So the gold market is actually giving us a really good solid that the price is going lower. 38, 48 won't be going back 48. So yeah, price is reaching back to the lower sides and keep on back to the lower area. 33 and 22. Yeah, I think it's actually quite good on this one. 100 pips and 200 pips. Okay. So remember why we can actually hold it up, because first thing, the trend is actually is on our sides. So even though our entry is not that good on the first sides, but if the direction is right, then we are actually on the good sides. Okay. So remember, the first thing first is the trend. So trend is actually quite important. Once you know the trend, then you just keep on thinking where do you want to do and where is your directions. Okay. So remember, trend is your friend, and it's actually really important. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Going lower, the prices keep on going lower, as I mentioned. So I think overall it's actually going quite great. So overall, we have been doing quite great this today trading, because the trend is actually on our sides, and we are keep on doing short positions. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, just and wanted to know more about it, just keep on watching our live streaming sessions, because in the future we'll be definitely keep on updating and giving out much more informations, like for example the what we call well, what we call the book map and informations, that how I can actually do this. Overall, informations is definitely need to have a conclusions. So for example, the informations that we are getting it, and we end up to give out like what is the trend? Is it the trend is going strong? And then the second thing is momentum. Is momentum is going strong? And giving you a much more better structured information. So, okay. So remember, give us a like and subscribe. And remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday till Friday. Shit. So like and subscribe, and do give us some content about of it. Okay. So why I've been doing short positions from here, as I mentioned, it's much more likely to go lower, and we do see that the momentum side is actually causing that the price is slowing down. This one is not a really good trade, I can say, but because our trend direction is okay, so we are actually on the good side. Stop loss we put 40, so I guess it's actually almost hit, but luckily we didn't hit lah. Okay, and then after that, the second one, because I do see that the momentum is actually slowing down, so we are actually just do short positions from here. Okay, so yeah, I think it's about it. So overall, just don't try to do long positions, and our expectations that the gold market will be keep on going lower, $40 range. So remember about that, and we'll be keep on doing short positions from the next day and tomorrow. Keep on doing shots and keep on going lower. Okay, today I do think that the gold market will be have at least $40 range. So meaning by that is that we do expect that the price should be having another $40 range, so should be around reaching from here. So remember, just keep on doing short positions and aiming back to this level. Okay, this is actually a good sign, so keep on doing short positions. Okay, so right now I don't think we can talk much about it for now. So if you do really interested and wanted to learn more about it, just join and like and subscribe, because your support is currently is the most important thing. So support, give us like and subscribe. Okay, in the future we'll be keep on adding much more information. So right now we still on the trial phase, as I mentioned before. Right now we just keep on giving out live trading. In the future we'll be giving out the informations and how do we do trading, much more details about it, like why, how, and what, how we do it, why we do it, and what's the perspective of the market, and so on. Okay, So yeah, I think overall should be quite fine already. Let's see how it turns out. Euro USD, I think GBSD is actually slowing down. It's not quite good to do long positions. So be with it. So I think that's about it for today. And yeah, we'll be ending our live streaming sessions for another 2 minutes. And I think we can actually just end it on 11 lah, because I think we need to be punctual. So we'll be ending on 11. So let's see. Mm-hmm. Ending on 11. Excuse me. Hmm. Let's see. Mhm. Mhm. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow, spiking back to the lower sides. 20 might be or might be not. Reaching back towards on this level. But overall, my expectation is that the price should be going lower and see how it turns out. Okay, I think the price should be spiking back, but overall, I do think that is actually quite right lah. 23, 22. It seems like it. So let's see, can we do much more about it? Might be cutting my hair soon. Okay, so I think I will be ending our live streaming sessions for now. So remember, everyone, we have been giving out a treats just now, and if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, like and subscribe, and do remember we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from 10 to 11. Just keep on pushing on it and keep on liking on it. Okay. So I think that's about it for today. Thank you for everyone joining, and I will be see you guys tomorrow.